So good day everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to get daily sales on WhatsApp. So I want you to follow me to the end of this video. How you can make money just posting your WhatsApp status, make daily sales on your WhatsApp. So let's go. As you can see, this is the heading of the book. Okay, this is heading of the course. How to get daily sales on WhatsApp, status and chat strategies for beginner. So introduction, welcome. If you have been posting on WhatsApp and nobody is buying, you are not alone. Many people have products but they don't know how to sell. In this guide I will show you simple and practical way to get attention, start conversation, turn chat into sell. No complicated strategies, just work words. It works. So let's begin. Why you are not getting sell? If you are not making sell, it is usually because you post randomly, you don't create interest, you don't tell people what to do, you don't follow up, or posting alone is not selling. So posting alone is not selling, you need a simple system. So that is it. So now, how WhatsApp sell really works. I want to show you how WhatsApp sell really works, like how it works properly. So sales follow a simple process: attention, interest, chat, sell. Okay, first people see your status, then they will get interest, they will message you, then you sell. If you miss any step, you will lose the sell. So that is it. Just make sure you follow up everything. Your daily posting strategies. To get results, you need to post daily, not only when you need money. Okay, you need to post daily. Use simple structure. Morning you will post something like value. Afternoon you post story or relatable content. Night then you offer and call them to action to buy the course. So that is it. Consistency is more important than perfection. Then in this page, what to post, and this is very important. Your post should do three things: teach something small, make people think or make people curious, avoid long text, boring, confusing message. Keep it simple and clear. If you understand this part, it will help you very well. Avoid long boring text, confusing message, and keep it simple and clear. Okay, so in this page 6, you will have high converting status post. Use this, like example of high converting status post, okay, is that most people don't make money online because they don't sell anything. Most people don't make money online because they don't sell anything. I used to be confused too until I learned this simple method. So anyone that read this write-up will be interested, because many people now are just facing scams online or not getting what they want, like what they expected. So there are many things you need to post that will help you sell your product. If you have a simple product, would you sell it? You don't need to be perfect to start making money online. This is very great. Okay, so follow me to the end of this video. Many people are watching but not acting. So many people now, what is holding them is that they are just watching others but they're not acting their own, which is very bad. So this one I just showed someone how to start today. Your phone can make you money if you use it well. Stop overthinking, start small. If you are serious about making money online, message me. This last message is very important. So if you are serious about making money online, message me. Many people are are willing to make money online, but they don't know how or they don't know where to start. So those people you have their contact with, they will message you immediately and you can guide them step by step. So this page 7 is saying how to turn your viewers into buyers. This is very important. Don't just post, guide them. Always include, message me, reply this status, send me stats. People need direction. Okay, so this chapter now is telling us how to chat with customers. Many people lose sales because they don't know how to close sales. They don't know how to chat with customers. Okay, so when somebody message you, don't rush. Start like this: hi, what would you like to learn about making money online? Let them first talk, then you guide them. Okay, so this page 9, how to introduce your product. After they reply, say I have simple guide that shows step by step how to start and get results using your smartphone. Okay, keep it simple, no pressure. Then if you are ready, I can send it to you now. Then you tell them the price. As a beginner, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. But if to say you are not in a big expectation, like you have many testimonials and a lot of those things, your price can increase. Be confident, not aggressive. Okay, I hope you are getting something. Then handling objects. If they say I don't have money, reply I understand, but this is exactly what help beginners start small and grow. If they say I will think about it, reply no problem, just let me know when you are ready. Something like that. Then the follow-up strategies. Most people don't buy immediately. Follow up like this. This is true. Most people are not going to buy immediately. You need to follow them up in order to close your sale. Hi, just checking in. Are you still interested? Simple and polite message like that. Okay, so the page 13, which says daily sales routine. Do this every day. Post 3 to 5 times. Reply message fast. Talk to people. Follow up. This is how you get consistent sales. Okay, final page, which is page 14. Sell is not about luck, it is about consistency, communication and confidence. Keep showing up, keep improving, you will get results. So this is a bonus page. Simple sales secrets. People don't buy products, they buy solution, clarity, guidance. So focus on helping, not just selling. Focus on helping people, not just selling. Okay, so if you are watching this video up to now, I want you to like this video, share to your friends and comment I am learning in the comment section. Thank you.